Hello everyone and welcome back to Value Tout TV. I am David and today we are exploring a question many of you have asked. Can AI truly understand Africa's unique needs? ChatGPT has been a global sensation for quite a while now, but there's a new boy in town, a totally different player in town. The name is DeepSeek AI. Designed with Africa's innovation in mind. So by the end of this video, you will understand why developers, entrepreneurs, educators are calling it a game changer. And I'm going to be showing you 3 reasons why you should start using DeepSeek AI. And I'm not here to spoil the market for ChatGPT, but I'm just here to tell you that there's a new product in town that will get you better results. Let's dive in. Before we begin, I want you to hit like if you've ever felt ChatGPT's answer were too generic for local challenges, because I thought so too. And that's why I want to break down why DeepSeek is earning praises for its precision and relevance across our continent. Let me start with point number 1: speed and efficiency. First, speed matters, and I want to believe that you want to do everything in your power to get things done at a very fast rate. So when you are drafting a proposal, you're analyzing data, or you are preparing a lecture, you are waiting minutes for an AI response, it's not practical. It's not practical. So, and I ran a test. ChatGPT took about 48 seconds to generate a 300-word market entry report from Nigeria, while when I tried this same report on DeepSeek, it delivered a more detailed analysis in 10 seconds. And it also included localized pricing strategies and competitors' insights. And that's just not faster, it is smarter and efficient. So that's the game changer for DeepSeek. I want to ask a quick question. Would you prioritize speed or depth in AI tools? Let me know in the comment section, because I am very curious about it. And if you are just joining this channel for the first time, please click the subscribe button and ensure you also click on the notification bell so you will see other educative videos like this much later. Number 2, it's the localized accuracy. Localized accuracy. ChatGPT often provide global generalizations, but African markets, African laws and cultures are distinct. Especially if you are not good with prompt engineering, ChatGPT will give you a very generic response. So for example, when you are asking how to streamline cross-border trade in West Africa, you know, ChatGPT will give you a very generic list, especially if you are not good with your prompt. But with DeepSeek, it will outline regulations, tasks, implication for SMEs, and even contact links for regional logistic partners. That's the power of DeepSeek. It's built with AI, African data in view. So perhaps you need to check out DeepSeek today. Number 3 is what I want to share with you as African, especially if you are in Africa. You need to pay attention to this. Yes, number 3 is that DeepSeek understands our cultural and linguistic intelligence. It understands it very much. So this is a breakthrough for content creator, is a breakthrough for people that create content, letters, proposals, because DeepSeek doesn't just translate it, it also adapts. For example, it can convert a medical guideline into Hausa language using cultural resonance analogies, like comparing antibodies to security warrior in the body, but ChatGPT will struggle with the context, and it will mix dialects, or you can even omit critical nuances. So for teachers, for farmers or healthcare workers, this precision isn't just convenient, it is very transformative. And I want to burst your bubble, it can translate over 50 African languages. That's massive. So, and the fourth point here I want to make note is that it is completely free. As at the time of recording this video, DeepSeek AI is very free, so you can use it. No monthly subscription, no special integration before you can use this powerful tool. So if you are as impressed as I am, please consider subscribing to this channel, because next week I will also be sharing a free tutorial on using DeepSeek to automate tasks for your business or your studies, and I'll also give a complete downloadable template. So I want you to do that right now. Subscribe to Value Tout TV. Thank you so much once again for your time, and I want to believe that DeepSeek will help collaborate with local developers to address challenges like agricultural forecasting, mental health, chatbots, and even preserving oral history. So meanwhile, ChatGPT one-size-fits-all approach has often missed this opportunity. So is DeepSeek flawless? Of course, every tool will have their ups and downs, but if you value AI that respects your diversity, that accelerates your productivity and speaks your language literally, then it's a leap forward for you. So let's also discuss, I want us to discuss even in the comment section below, how could better AI transform your work? Please comment below, and if you have enjoyed this video, please share it with someone who would benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of AI isn't just global, it is local. I will see you next time. Remember, this is Value Tout TV and I am David. Bye for now.